Followers jasthi idare, but buyers illa. Followers 10,000, real views 50,000, but orders zero or very few. Is this happening to you? Your problem is not the followers. Your problem is buyer's intent. Let me explain something most important about the Instagram coaches that never tell you. The big myth about the Instagram followers is that most entrepreneurs think more followers is equal to more sales. But in reality, there are three types of followers and only one type buys. What is the three types of followers? First one is the entertainment followers. These people follow because your reels are funny, or your reels are aesthetic, or your reels are trending. They enjoy watching, but they are not buyers. Example, many Saree pages post trending songs or transition reels. People watch them, but they are not buying, they are not in a buying mode. Is competitor followers, second type. These are the other sellers or the boutique owners or resellers or even curious observers. They follow to observe your pricing or study your reels or see what is trending. They rarely buy, but they increase your follower count. Buyer followers, most important. These are followers you want. They will follow because they love the sarees or they want styling ideas. They want recommendations. They are planning to buy. These people save the posts or ask questions and then DM you. These are the followers who will convert into customers. The real problem is most pages attract the type 1 followers because their content is either trend based or entertainment based or random. But buyers with authority, buyers follow authority pages, pages that will teach, pages that will guide, pages that build trust and experience. So the buyer attraction framework is something that I want to give. I can say it as EAT framework, EAT framework. This is usually used by strong brands. E means educate. Teaching something useful. Example, how to identify pure silk, how to choose sarees for office, how to style the sarees for weddings, difference between fabrics. When people learn from you, you become a trusted expert. A is the authority. This shows your expertise. Example, visiting weaving clusters or explaining the fabrics, showing the sourcing process or sharing industry insights. These all will create authority, which will make the customers think that this person knows the business. And the third one is the T, that's the trust. Trust removes the buying fear. Show your customers the customer photos or reviews, how you package the packing process, the real customer feedbacks. People buy when they feel this is a safe place to buy. So followers don't buy. The trust is what will make them buy. Authority is what will make them buy. Education is what will make them buy. That is why some pages with 2,000 followers make more sales than pages with 1 lakh followers because they attract the buyers and not the viewers. So what you can do, few practical steps that I can give. Audit your last 20 posts. Ask yourself, how many posts are entertainment, education, and trust building? If 80% is entertainment, then sales will struggle. For strong sales, follow the below ratio: 40% education, 30% trust, 20% authority, and 10% sales. 40% education, 30% trust, 20% authority, and 10% sales. So stop chasing the followers, start attracting the buyers. Followers increase your ego, buyers increase your business.